Welcome to Open Whispers channel. When a whisper becomes louder and louder and louder, it becomes open whispers. Like a thunder, it strikes. The tyrant knows that his time is up. Welcome to the arena once again. And let's roll and dissect things the way they are. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, share the video, and always come back to the arena. Thank you, and let's go.
So the decision yesterday came to me as a surprise. And the reason I resigned is simply because if I stayed in the party, I'm going to play a role of a spokesperson. These are facts that are important to me, and they ground to the core of my conviction. Since I don't believe in that, if I take up any role for the party, that means I will find myself advocating what I don't believe in.
Well, I think a lot of people. On your own, you say that your support is based on, not based on any material benefit. Right. You're saying that if he offers you a position or a role in government, you will not take it.
If let me tell you this. If the president makes an offer of a position that I see that will contribute to the development of his agenda, because I say I will support his agenda, I will more than anything else appreciate it. But
another lawyer
it is not
was in the villa yesterday. I'm sure you must have seen that picture as well. Because he was there, and of course, but wait a minute. If the president calls you, Mr. Kongo, won't you go?
In Nigeria, after seeing that picture, I think everybody is a suspect, including me.
Oh dear.
It's just that I've not had enough evidence to convict myself. There's nothing wrong in seeing the president. You don't say no to a president. But there's something wrong when you psychophantically make a 360 degree to all the principles you say you hold dear. What have changed? It is really very pathetic.
In other words, they may say politics is a game of interest. Your brand of politics doesn't accommodate.
You said you didn't like Muslim ticket. You left on your own position. Has the Muslim ticket been solved? If you are talking about corruption, there are two beautiful achievements this government has achieved since they came into power. Give it to them. And that is consumption and corruption. So, would you say these things have been addressed? What would be your reason getting into the ruling party? How can you convince people that it is not because of the quest for power and quest for money?
Exactly. That is the case of the Nigerian elites, driven by a quest for power, selfish interest for material things. They don't have interest of the masses at heart. These are those who have sold the masses for nickel and dime, for kobo in Nigerian currency. There seems to be no hope. The cloud is gathering. Nigerians need help. The brand of politics that Daniel BWALA and his co-travelers like Fani Kayode are playing in Nigeria. This is why Nigerian democracy is collapsing. See something, say something, and please do something. Nigeria must survive these elites that have captured the masses. Thanks for being with us in the arena. Like the famous American writer will always say, be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. It's Chris Diggers in Open Whispers. Thank you, and God bless.